are going to share with you what we're up to today. Where are we?
We're at...
What are we going to do?
The Williston Bike Path.
Yeah.
And we're going to walk into the nature trail.
Yep.
So that we can pick up nature things for our nature basket.
All right, so yes.
We are touching and feeling with our gloves off when we get there.
Yep.
Because of a big piece of sheet paper that tells us what we can touch and not touch.
So right now we're at the, hold on a second, we're going to show them in a second. We're going to add to this video, but right now we're going to show them where we are so that we can encourage people. You can access the Williston Bike Path at this parking lot right here, which is close to the Congregational Church. Hold on, Zoe, please. And then the corner Quick Stop gas station. And we just encourage you guys to go here instead of at the playground parking lot so that your little kids don't necessarily want to run around on the playground right now. So that's where we are in this parking lot, and we'll send another video when we get a little bit closer.
So
Come here, Zoe.
this,
I can't see you.
so this is the place where our car's parked. See it way over there? Way over there, guys?
So we're gonna start walking and then we'll send another video. All right, we are at the start of Allenbrook Nature Trail. I'm gonna turn the camera around. You can see the sign. It comes off of the Williston Bike Path, and I think it's just about a half-mile loop. That's super easy for kids. But even if you are not near Williston and are taking a nature trail hike, you could take one somewhere else. And so we are gonna use this piece of paper here. You wanna hold it, Zoe, for me? Thanks. It's called Touch It. And it has different ideas of stuff that you can find on the trail, like something soft, something smooth, something sticky. What's your favorite one you're gonna find? Do you remember? Sticky or soft or prickly. I think that was what Zoe said this morning. Something prickly, right?
Where's the prickly one?
Prickly is right down here. So we'll try to post this paper and you could take it along with you and just make it an activity. But the kids are gonna start walking down so you can see the beginning of the nature trail. And then we're gonna say goodbye. Okay, you guys ready? Yep, keep going all the way. Let's do that on our way home so our hands don't get too cold, right? Keep going. It is. This is the water they're talking about. If you can see that. Yeah, I think if you felt the water right now, it'd be a little cold. Let's do that on our way back. So, in this trail, it has a boardwalk and then it loops up to a dirt path. Can you guys find the dirt path for me? This way? Could go that way. All right, can you say goodbye to our friends?
Goodbye, friends.
Sam, say goodbye.